Good afternoon, honored guests, friends, and family of the Spanish River High School class of 2024. At this time, would you please find a seat, and for your safety and the security of our graduates, please refrain from walking and or standing in the aisles as the commencement ceremony for Spanish River High School is ready to begin. We ask that you stay seated and allow everyone to focus on the entrance of the Spanish River High School graduating class of 2024, led by Principal Dr. Allison Castellano, Superintendent Michael J. Burke, and Spanish River's 2024 Dwyer nominee for Senior High Teacher of the Year, Nayet Bogosian.
Graduates, please turn and face the stage at this time. Welcome, honored guests, parents, family, and friends to the class of 2024's commencement ceremony. Family, graduates, friends, please remain standing. Gentlemen, please remove your caps. We will begin with the Pledge of Allegiance by Principal Award recipients Maddie Murphy and Ethan Luce. Maddie is the daughter of Lisa and James Murphy. She has been a vital member of DECA for 4 years, serving as Executive Vice President and VP of Marketing, as well as winning several awards in DECA competitions, including district and state competitions. For WSRH, she serves as Communications Director and Video Producer. She is an ACE Diploma recipient and an ACE Ambassador for the program, while also serving as the esteemed president over all of our Spanish River Academies. She's also Chief Marketing Officer for the Entrepreneurship Academy. She's a member of 3 honor societies and has dedicated her time to volunteering, earning well over 500 community service hours by her compassionate work with Open Hearts for Orphans, a nonprofit that assists families in adopting children and providing much needed medical care for orphans. She will be attending the University of Michigan next fall. Ethan is the son. Go ahead, give her a big round of applause. Thank you. Ethan is the son of Helen and John Luce. He has held several leadership positions during his 4 years as an SGA member, which include Vice President, Treasurer, and Sergeant at Arms. He also served as a Safe Schools Ambassador and Treasurer of our Chick-fil-A Leadership Academy. He played varsity volleyball, serving as captain for 3 years, and was named the 22-23 Player of the Year. He was a member of DECA for all 4 years. He's a member of 3 honor societies. In the community, he dedicated his time to volunteering for the nonprofit Mission Fishin', teaching fishing skills to children with special needs and assisting the captain as a first mate. His dream is to become a military pilot and officer and hopes to achieve this goal through his appointment to the Air Force Academy. In 16 weeks, he begins basic cadet training at the Air Force Academy in Colorado Springs. Welcome, Maddie and Ethan.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Our national anthem will now be sung by our choral students under the direction of Mr. Alex Kowalski.
And bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Thank you. Choral ensemble members, guests, and graduates, please be seated. Now I would like to introduce our esteemed platform guests on stage. It gives me great pleasure to introduce our current school board member, a huge supporter of Spanish River High School over his many years of service, Mr. Frank Barbieri. Our Palm Beach County School District Superintendent, Mr. Michael J. Burke. Palm Beach County Schools Chief of Staff and former principal of Calusa Elementary School, Mrs. Jamie Wyatt. Mr. Sean Cooley, Chief of Strategic Communications and Engagement. Palm Beach County's Chief of Equity and Wellness, Mr. Keith Oswald. Our South Region Superintendent, former Assistant Principal of Spanish River High School and Principal of Don Estridge High Tech Middle School, Dr. Rachel Capitano. Spanish River's Instructional Superintendent, a great supporter and former school counselor of Spanish River High School, Dr. Anthony Lockhart. South Region Instructional Superintendent and former principal of Sunrise Park Elementary, Mrs. Alicia Steiger. Mr. Seth Moldovan, principal of Blue Lake Elementary. Mrs. Susan Figueroa, principal of Calusa Elementary. Miss Stephanie Cook, principal of Hammock Point Elementary. Mrs. Lyndon Codling, principal of Verde K-8 School. Dr. Nakia DeLuz, principal of Omni Middle School. Dr. Joshua Davidow, principal of Don Estridge High Tech Middle School. Your assistant principal, Mr. Ira Solid. Mr. Abendandalo, Spanish River Dean and senior class sponsor. Ms. Crawford, history teacher and senior class sponsor. The 2024 Spanish River Dwyer Teacher of the Year nominee and finalist, Ms. Nayette Bogosian. Next, thank you to our sign language interpreters that are here today for their service, Jamie Aranda and Katie Robertson. Last, I would like to introduce the class of 2024 student officers along with Mr. and Miss Spanish River. Please stand and be recognized at your seat as I call your name. On stage, we have the Student Government President, Ava Balsam. Also on stage is our Senior Class President, Kevin Netto. On stage, Spanish River High School valedictorian, Tejas Chaudhary. Spanish River High School salutatorian, Allison Hollander. In our first row, we have SGA Vice President Ethan Leeds. He is the son of Jill Brickle and Stephen Leeds, and he will be attending the University of Florida. The senior class Vice President is Charlie Graff. He is the son of Jason and Jamie Graff, and he will be attending Florida State University. The secretary is Max Herman. He is the son of Zev Herman and Golda Kaplan. He will be attending the University of Florida. The treasurer is Jaden Kaiser. He is the son of Lauren and Darlene Kaiser, and he will be attending the University of Florida. Miss Spanish River is Rita Aquer. She is the daughter of Emmanuel and Rita Aquer, and she will be attending the American University of Paris. Mr. Spanish River is Adam Grossman. He is the son of Dean and Dina Grossman, and he will be attending the University of Michigan next year. Thank you for serving as valued officers in student government this year. The 2024 class of Spanish River is an accomplished group of seniors. Your accomplishments as we stand here today are simply amazing. Your athletic, academic, and community awards are numerous. Just this year alone, Spanish River High School was recognized for the following athletic awards, and this year's graduating athletes played a key role in our success. Let's begin with the huge title that happened days after last year's graduation, Girls Softball FHSAA 7A State Champions 2023. On to this year, football FHSAA State Series qualifiers for the first time in 23 years. Boys cross country, city, conference, county, and district champions for the 9th consecutive year, 2nd at regionals, and 13th at states. Girls cross country, city, conference, and district champions, 2nd at regionals, and 11th at states. Boys varsity swimming, 7th at regionals, 1 individual district champion in diving. Girls varsity swimming, district champions, and 4th place at regionals. Girls and boys swimming together had 16 regional qualifiers and 8 state qualifiers. Boys golf, 1 individual district champion, 2 regional qualifiers, and 1 state qualifier. Girls golf, district champions, regional qualifiers, 1 individual state qualifier. Boys wrestling, 5 regional qualifiers, 2 state qualifiers, and 1 Final Four finisher. Girls wrestling, 1 regional qualifier. Girls bowling, 1 individual state qualifier. Girls soccer, district runner-up, regional qualifiers. Girls water polo, district champions for the first time in 20 years, and regional qualifiers. Boys water polo, district runner-up. Girls varsity flag football, district champions, 4th year in a row, regional semifinalists, and Coach Imler's 100th win. Girls softball, district champion, regional semifinalists, and the rest is still unwritten. Girls tennis, district runner-up, individual singles, district champion, state finals runner-up, doubles district champions, and state semifinalists. Boys tennis, district runner-up and regional finalists. Boys weightlifting, 9 regional qualifiers. Boys volleyball, district champions and regional qualifiers. Girls track and field, district runner-up, 23 regional qualifiers and 7 state qualifiers. Boys track and field, district champions for the 4th consecutive year, 23 regional qualifiers, 3rd place at regions, and 7 state qualifiers. And you're not just talented athletes. As a class, you've earned over $11.6 million in scholarships. Your class has 2 National Merit Scholarship recipients, 1 semifinalist, and 8 commended scholars. 24 National College Board Hispanic, African American, or Indigenous scholars, and 3 Ivy League acceptances. 247 of you have qualified for Bright Future scholarships. 191 of you have earned an ACE diploma, with an additional 38 pending this year's results. In addition, 46 seniors today have given back to the community with over 500 hours of community service. Seniors at this graduation today, in my opinion, are the best educators and staff members our district has to offer. They have taught you, guided you, and ensured you are successful. Please help me in honoring our teachers, counselors, secretaries, paraprofessionals, coaches, support staff, and everyone that helped you reach your highest potential. Spanish River faculty and staff, please rise and be acknowledged. You may be seated. I would also like to thank the PTSA and Spanish River Foundation, parent volunteers, and board members. Their presence, as well as their funding and support of our special projects and teacher requests, enable Spanish River High School to excel. If you are a member of our PTSA or foundation, please stand and be recognized for your efforts. Please be seated. As the superintendent of the high-performing school district of Palm Beach County, Mr. Michael Burke is passionate about ensuring academic excellence and paving the way to success for more than 170,000 students who attend 182 district-operated schools. He is deeply committed to the school board's mission to educate, affirm, and inspire each student in an equity-embedded school system. As superintendent of the 10th largest district in the nation, Mr. Burke is proud to lead a team of more than 23,000 professionals who dedicate their lives to empowering our students. Please join me in welcoming our superintendent, Mr. Michael Burke, to the podium.
Congratulations, Spanish River High School class of 2024. You are almost out the door. Parents, family, friends, and district colleagues, I'd like to see this crowd go wild with a huge round of applause for these amazing graduates. All right. Go Sharks. You know, you guys are not the only ones graduating from the river this year. I'd also like to take a moment to congratulate your principal, who has now received her doctorate degree and will now be known as Dr. Allison Castellano. There we go. I don't think she had much choice after hearing all the accomplishments of this class. It's very humbling. You guys are doing it on the sports fields, named a sport, country club sport, traditional athletic sport, whatever, and then in the classroom and in the community service. So hats off to you. It's an honor to serve as your superintendent, to be a small part of this important ceremony. But before you go to your next chapter, I'd like to share a few experiences and thoughts. I once sat in your seat. It was about 38 miles south of here and 39 years ago, and if you had told me back then that I would spend my entire career working for the school district and get to be the superintendent, I never would have believed it. I thought when I was your age, I thought I was going to be a businessman. I didn't know what kind of business. The details were sketchy. Anyway, when I graduated high school, my main motivation was to make money, which led me to college and a major in finance. In hindsight, I wish I had a more thoughtful, noble goal. But in my defense, it was the 1980s, and Madonna sang, "We are living in a material world." Life can be unpredictable, and I was hired by the school district as an entry-level budget analyst right after college. It turned out to be one of the best things that ever happened to me. It took me a few years to realize that I needed a purpose, and working in public education gave me that sense of purpose. I am so impressed by this class of 2024. These seniors are much more enlightened, thoughtful, and altruistic. Our world needs that. Our world needs the graduates from Spanish River High School, and the class of 2024 will make the world a better place. Graduates, in the poetic words of Miss Taylor Swift, remember this moment. Today you are the kings and the queens. Graduation is a major accomplishment, and now is the time to plan for your next big goal in life. Some of you may have it all figured out, and others may be still weighing your options. That's okay. Any goal that represents an investment in yourself is a good one. That investment could be college, serving your country in the military, career technical education, or on-the-job training. You're finished with high school, but make learning new things a lifelong mission. Furthering your education, whether in school or on the job, will always pay off. And please remember that you did not get here alone. Think about all the people that have helped you get to the stage today. Your parents, your family, friends, teachers, counselors, coaches, mentors, and school administrators. Graduates, please show them your appreciation with a huge round of applause. Thank you. Just like my own 3 kids, I want you to be happy, healthy, and financially independent. Financial independence is a beautiful thing. I know your parents feel the same way. Harvard conducted an 85-year study on happiness. 85 years, that's pretty impressive. I conducted my own 4-year study at FSU on happiness and found a strong correlation with Seminole football wins and chicken wings. But let's go with the Harvard story. It may be a bit more scientific. So Harvard found that positive friendships and relationships keep us happier, healthier, and help us live longer. These relationships help protect you against life's stressful moments. And so no matter what's next for you, invest in friendships and relationships with people that want to see you be successful, and be sure to support them as well. You are about to graduate from the School District of Palm Beach County. You've proven that you can go the extra mile. Keep up that work. Work hard and take pride in your work. And when you get that first full-time job, be sure to pay yourself first. This means putting a piece of your check into savings. If you do this throughout your life, you'll be amazed at how your investment grows. As superintendent, I owe a special thank you to the Palm Beach County community. Every time there's an opportunity to support our schools, our local government officials, business partners, and voters step up to make a difference. Whether it's voting to support funding for our schools on the ballot or volunteering your time and resources, you have my deepest thanks. Graduates, you have done great work, or as you might say, you guys ate and left no crumbs. On behalf of the entire school board, congratulations. We are proud of you and wish you all the best. Soon they will read off your names, and the class of 2024 will be remembered. And I'm going to leave you with this video. Thanks.
I said, remember this moment in the back of my mind. The time we stood with our shaking hands, the crowds in stands went wild. We were the kings and the queens, and they read off our names. The night you danced like you knew our lives would never be the same. You held your head like a hero on a history book page. It was the end of a decade, but the start of an age. Long live the walls we crashed through, how the kingdom lights shine just for me and you. I was screaming, long live all the magic we made, and bring on all the pretenders. I'm not afraid, singing long live all the mountains we moved. I had the time of my life, fighting dragons with you. And long, long live that look on your face, and bring on all the pretenders. One day you'll be remembered.
Thank you, Mr. Burke. We will now have our speeches by our student leaders. Our first speech is by our senior class president, Kevin Netto. Kevin is the son of Leonardo and Rose Netto. He will be attending Indiana University.
Thank you, Dr. Castellano. Here we have arrived, gazing out from the tip of the iceberg on the day that all of the adversity we faced and hard work we put in finds its resolve. At last, after the ultimate 4 years, we all face that moment of introspection. We ask ourselves the question, what's next, or who do I want to become? Here, what's key is not the answer to those frivolous questions, but in the attitude we approach what we do. In my time as class president, as well as my time as junior treasurer, I've been a part of many fundraising and management of class events. Other than the building of character, class leadership has shown me many valuable lessons. Particularly, there's one understanding that I held dear to me. In all projects, in regards to participation, efficiency, and productivity, I can say confidently that you get what you put in. Specifically, my junior year, when I served as class treasurer, one of our cabinet's key agenda points was to manage and optimize the upper class of 2023's prom. During this time, our leadership, teamwork, and problem solving were tested. It was through trial and error where our leadership skills were refined. However, what I believe to be far more valuable than the slight shortcomings are the moments of reflection that follow. That moment after completing a task, when you can reflect on the effort and execution that you put in. This idea applies in all facets of life and is an understanding of the admirable 1%. If you are in this room, you are capable of being atop any industry of your interest. If you are in this room, that dream that you have for yourself can become a reality. Are you willing to change your daily regimen? Are you willing to put into your best craft into the things you care about? I say this confidently as a product of my excess experience in seeing inputs to outputs in projects, effort to results in work, grind to success in hardship. Let this be a testament that if you, yes you, Consistently bring your best. Unwaveringly bring more effort and passion than the people next to you. Success is inevitable. Let's take that to the next level. To be a true shark, we have to embody the shark outside of the classroom. When opportunity arises, we use our jaws. To be a true shark, we have to be the apex predator in each of our own oceans. In this stage of transformation, we are migrating to new waters, and to rise to the top of the food chain, we as sharks need to be as hungry as ever. Leading up to this speech, it put me in places of confusion and reflection, asking myself questions that I typically would avoid. This past school year specifically, I felt the true pressure and stress of surmounting work from student government, academics, and college planning. But that is just the beauty of turning the book to the next chapter. Now that we have reached atop the iceberg, it's a time for us all to discard the bad chapters of our personal stories. Bringing things full circle, let's come back to the underlying message from the beginning, that principle that you get what you put in. When we look back at our achievements, we are reminded by the lesson that the outcome of our endeavors is directly affected by the effort we invest. With this message in mind, we are now privileged with the power to know that our hard work, dedication, and passion determines the magnitude of our achievements. Congratulations, class of 2024.
Our next speech is by Student Government President Ava Balsam. Ava is the daughter of Stephen and Jordana Balsam. She will be attending the University of Florida.
Thank you, Dr. Castellano. I'm sure many parents are breathing a sigh of bittersweet relief. This day has been long in the making, including my parents, who are celebrating their 23rd anniversary today. When I was 4 years old, my dad would pull me out of bed every Sunday morning, take me to JCC, and force me and my sister into swim lessons. You can imagine the true excitement I possessed, being stripped from my warm bed and forced into a cold pool. I would kick and scream. I just wanted to leave the pool deck and go back home. I'm sure we can all recall a time when our parents forced us into an extracurricular activity that we didn't love at the start. To twist the tale, I grew up the next 14 years of my life swimming every day. The start can be scary. Like myself, every one of my fellow classmates started their first day of high school in their room, alone, on a Google Meet. The first taste of the magical 4 years felt completely isolated, just like that cold pool. I didn't learn how to swim by starting off in the deep end all by myself. I had my coach there to guide me. At Spanish River, we received such care and guidance these past 4 years. Dr. Castellano helped set us all up for a path of success by pushing us past our comfort zones. Because of her, just about everyone in the class of 2024 has completed an accelerated course in their high school careers. A 4-time Olympic champion, Michael Phelps, once said, "You can't put a limit on anything. The more you dream, the farther you get." I remember when Miss Burke inspired me to try out for the water polo team. She took my love for swim and showed me that venturing into uncharted waters can allow me to grow in a field that I didn't think I had any more potential in. The same can be said when my sister encouraged me to become part of student government, which is what inspired me to take on such a strong role as student body president. I'm sure in 10 years we'll all reminisce over the iconic Blacklight pep rally. Over the past 4 years, I was inspired by my classmates and the lengths you all took to reach success. Whether it was trying out for the lacrosse team, taking the extra dual enrollment class, even some days just showing up to school. Everyone pushes themselves in a different way. The key is to surround yourself with people who push you when you think you can't anymore. I would not be the same person if it wasn't for my dad forcing me into that cold pool and standing his ground when I complained that I wanted to quit. Every new challenge can feel like a straight dive into deep end, but everyone has to start the race to get to the finish line. Congratulations, parents and the class of 2024.
Allison is the daughter of Barbara and David Hollander. With a 5.669 HPA and a 4.0 HPA, Allison has earned all A's for the entirety of her middle and high school years. She is an AP Scholar with distinction, taking 15 AP classes and passing all of them with a 4 or 5. She is the president of the Biotechnology Academy, Key Club, UNICEF, and Teens for Pink Ribbon. Allison works hard in the classroom and to serve her community, but she also pushes herself physically as she is a three-sport athlete, competing in track and bowling for 3 years and tennis for 1. She was also a member of numerous honor societies, including National Math, Computer, Psychology, and Science honor societies. Allison will be attending Duke University and double majoring in biology and economics. It's students like Allison that give Spanish River such an incredible reputation, and it is with great honor that I introduce your class of 2024 salutatorian, Allison Hollander.
Thank you, Dr. Castellano. Class of 2024, I would like to share a sweet story with you. It was not long ago that amidst navigating a pandemic and coming to an entirely new school, a beautiful tradition started in my family: ice cream nights. I would pick it up at Brendy's several nights a week. I loved those nights when we would pause our busy lives to share in enjoying this sweet treat, banana or mint chocolate chip most of all. I really love ice cream. In reflecting on the past 4 years here, I cannot help but compare Spanish River to an amazing ice cream shop. The best ice cream shops are the ones where you discover novel flavors that soon become favorites. Spanish River has encouraged all of us to try new flavors in the same way. Not every sample is a winner, and sometimes there are huge surprises, like how I always imagined hating running, but now I love being on the track team. And then there are the flavors that transform your palate. For me, coming from an out-of-zone middle school, I applied to biotech, not really knowing what it was. I was just intrigued it had something to do with science. And with one taste, my high school experience was changed forever. I now devour Biotech Weekly as the president, grateful for how this new flavor in my life connected me with some of my best friends through HOSA and the science fair. Like a veteran ice cream scooper, I'm now excited to encourage prospective freshmen to sample this flavor for themselves. I also learned from ice cream nights that the best things in life should never be enjoyed alone. River is the same. From cheering at the top of our lungs at the pep rallies and enjoying our lunches with our friends, to completing group projects with many different peers, I've made such great friends. Every day, I'm reminded that sharks want to help fellow sharks. I hope we can all discover and recreate such safe and supportive communities so that we can cherish shared moments and successes together. As I stand here today, though, I'm reminded how much our river experience has been like eating a delicious ice cream cone. With the first few licks of freshman year, we were discovering and savoring the new flavor. Soon, we started to realize that our ice cream was melting, that our time was limited, and we started to feel frantic trying to take it all in. But as we started senior year, realizing the end was near, we really began to reflect on the whole experience. Even as our last licks were melting away, we took the time to really enjoy every last bite. I hope we never take any experiences for granted, that with new flavors and new ice cream shops, we savor every bite and moment. Now I have some thank yous I'd like to give out. I would like to thank Miss Fish, who has been a huge role model for me. Your dedication to always helping students has inspired me to lead and help others in the same ways. You have also provided many opportunities for me, and I'm forever grateful. I would also like to thank Mrs. Lloyd Kona for all of your help throughout high school. We make a great team. Finally, standing up here today, I want to give a big scoop of gratitude and appreciation to my family, the cherry on top of my success, my ice cream night companions forever. Thank you for being the greatest support system and cheerleaders. I would also like to congratulate Tejas Chaudhary, the valedictorian, and Andy Huberman, who is ranked number 3 in our class. I'm honored to be graduating with both of you. My family has another tradition. This one is a favorite saying. Take chances and make mistakes, because that is where the growth happens. The Spanish River High School ice cream shop has whipped up so many distinct, flavorful, sweet treats for us all to take chances on, and I hope we never forget the impact of these flavors in our growth and our lives. Exploring this may seem scary, but what isn't in life? Being scared shows you care, and care and determination get you far in life. Class of 2024, congratulations on your hard work and unwavering dedication to get here. I cannot wait to see all of your accomplishments in the future. Enjoy your last few licks of your favorite river flavors. Thank you.
Our valedictorian, Tejas, is the son of Arcana and Kiran Chaudhary. Tejas, a Milstein Program Technology and Humanities finalist, has completed an intensive course load of 15 AP courses, 9 ACE courses, and 12 dual enrollment courses, earning a 5.679 HPA. He is an AP Scholar with distinction and earned an ACE Diploma with Merit designation. He's also a member of the English Honor Society, Computer Honor Society, Social Studies Honor Society, and Psychology Honor Society. Not only has Tejas excelled in the classroom, he has pushed himself outside of the classroom as well. Tejas has a passion for helping teach technology in our local community and has volunteered countless hours, as well as excelled in an internship at a local software company and has even formed his own entity. Tejas will be attending Cornell University in the fall.
Before I begin, I'd like to thank Dr. Castellano and all my wonderful teachers for everything that they have done for me and the rest of Spanish River. Now, good afternoon, all parents, teachers, administrators, guests, and of course, the Spanish River class of 2024. Sitting before me is our exceptional class, and as a valedictorian, I am so proud of this class and the impact we have made on Spanish River these past 4 years. Contrary to popular belief, I did not use ChatGPT to write this speech like some of my friends suggested. But I will say, this class's unique ability to procrastinate until the last minute, as I did with the speech, sorry, Mr. Lady, and still get the test scores and grades they want is unmatched. As the absolute kings and queens of procrastination, we still know how to achieve our goals. Some people might call us lazy, but I call us efficient. Now that we are moving on to bigger things in our lives, we're going to have to use our efficiency better instead of waiting until the last minute. I know our class is capable. I've seen our abilities to get things done. I truly believe that all 685 of you should be proud of your intelligence. Some of you naturally have knowledge. Some of you naturally have fluidity. Some of you are naturally good socially, others emotionally. Although we can't choose which exact type of intellect we inherit, we can control the amount of hard work we put into expanding our knowledge and ability to learn. We control our future. We control our path. We find creative ways to make things work. We achieve our goals. In short, we finesse. It's in our hands to determine where our path leads. I'm honored to represent all of you as the valedictorian of 2024, and I'm honored to carry my family name across the stage. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for everything. I couldn't have done it without you. And thank you, everyone. And thank you, everyone, for making my past 4 years so memorable. Today is May 13th, 2024, graduation day. It's finally here. Congratulations, Spanish River, class of 2024.
One of the traditions of Spanish River is to recognize one of its own with the distinguished title of Teacher of the Year. The educator is honored and respected amongst their peers and is representative of the great Spanish River faculty. This year's Teacher of the Year is Miss Stephanie Catrona, who welcomed a beautiful baby girl a week ago. Congratulations, Miss Catrona. So this year, we are recognizing Rivers Dwyer Award finalists for senior high, Miss Nayette Bogosian. Thank you to both Miss Bogosian and Miss Catrona for your hard work and dedication to the students at Spanish River and the exemplary, engaging instruction you provided to our students this year. Good afternoon, Shark Nation. You don't know how happy I am that this is the last time I'll have to talk about the pandemic during a graduation speech. Yes, you lost your freshman year to COVID, and it hit some of you pretty hard. Navigating all 7 classes online at home by yourself was challenging for many of you. And a few of you had to work this year extra hard to get on track to graduate. But you've all recovered nicely, and I'm proud to say, in fact, that 100% of you qualified to walk across the stage today. For me, one of the highlights of this year was being able to award more than 200 Spanish River students with their ACE diplomas. Your completion of the Cambridge course of study just about guarantees your Bright Future scholarships. Another highlight was watching our football team advance to the playoffs, scoring more points this season than they did in the last 4 years, possibly. I'm not sure about that, but it was close. And advancing to the playoffs for the first time in over 20 years. Congratulations, boys and coaches. I want you all to stop for a minute and think, do you realize how long I've known you? If you can remember that far back, I've been your principal since many of you were in the 7th grade. And some of you, I even met in elementary school. Now, those of you that know me know that I am direct and that I tell the truth. And the truth is, some of you have run me ragged. And a couple graduates have really made me earn my salary. One of them was McCain. Now, McCain has grown on me over the years. I'm not gonna lie though, the growth began like a fungus. I had to literally chase him around middle school, and he didn't transition all that well to his freshman year of high school because of COVID. He would email me regularly and say, "Don't look at my grades," which of course made me look at his grades. He would say, "I know you're about to kick me out, but I promise you, I'm gonna get my grades up." I finally had to strongly suggest that he come back to brick and mortar to increase his chances of success. This year, he made me extremely proud when he took a leading role in one of our student assemblies. And it made my heart so happy to see him sitting on a bench in front of the cafeteria the last few weeks of school, peacefully and pleasantly reading a novel bigger than any book I've ever read in my entire life. I remember passing him on the golf cart, smiling and telling Coach Clark, "Wow, I didn't see that happening." And that's the beauty of my job. Watching that transformation firsthand is something a lot of people don't get to experience. McCain, I'm so proud of your growth as a student, as a leader, and as a young man, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for you. Thank you for letting me share this story, and as you said in your sweet thank you letter to me, there's even more to come from you. Let's give McCain a round of applause. Another student who has been with me since our Banyan Creek Elementary School days is Maddie Murphy. Some of you might not know this, but Maddie helped create our Academy marketing videos, brochures, and presentations. And she even spent time on one of her days off to teach our teachers how to increase student engagement and participation using Canva software. I almost think Maddie doesn't even need to go to college because I would hire her right now. And more honestly, I don't know how we're going to replace her around campus. Thank you, Maddie. My favorite memory of the year, many of you may remember. As the audience members may or may not know, the seniors are always supposed to win the annual Powder Puff football game. This year, we knew it was going to be a challenge, but we had such hope when unexpectedly and miraculously, one of the seniors caught an interception as the clock was winding down. Unfortunately, after she caught the ball, she ran the wrong way with it. The entire crowd in the stands, along with all the players on the field, were yelling at her and motioning to her, "No, no, 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 go the other way." But as the stellar shortstop for our state championship softball team, she just thought they were excitedly screaming their encouragement at her because maybe she had just performed the equivalent of hitting a home run with the bases loaded in the bottom of the ninth. I was in shock and looked over at her dad, who's always at her games and actually played football for River when he was in high school. And he smiled and shook his head, which made me start laughing uncontrollably. As a recovering soccer mom myself, who went to all of my twin daughters' soccer games when they were younger, I definitely felt the pain for Tegan and her dad. And even though the seniors took a big L that night, Tegan, know that you have been and will always be a winner in my eyes. Thank you for letting me share this funny story with everyone. Oh, and just so you know, your dad wants me to make sure I point you in the right direction when you get up on stage to get your diploma, so I'm going to help you out. That's one of my happiest memories. Many of you have brought me so many happy memories, but in life we will also experience sadness. For me, these past 12 months personally, it was losing both the people that brought me into this world. Following in my mom's footsteps is what brings me here before you today. After such a loss, I wasn't much help to many of our students that lost loved ones because I was grieving myself. One of the most important lessons I learned this year was watching a young student channel her own grief into accomplishment. This reminded me of how each one of you can impact those around you. I don't know how she did it, but every time our paths crossed, she smiled at me, and those smiles gave me the strength to carry on. It's so important for you to know that you have the ability to impact those around you, maybe with something as simple as a smile. I share this story so that you know you've impacted my life just as much as I've hopefully impacted yours. As you leave high school, you will continue the exciting journey of pursuing your dreams. It will be up to you to find that dream. Lately, I've been thinking of a recent song by Cody Johnson called "Till You Can't." The message is a simple one. If you want something in life, you're gonna have to go and get it, because it's not gonna come to you. The song says, if you've got a chance, take it. Take it while you've got a chance. If you've got a dream, chase it, because a dream won't chase you back. Your grandparents might remember a touching song by Harry Chapin called "Cats in the Cradle." The idea is that life goes by so fast. Don't get too caught up in chasing your dreams that you forget to take time for your loved ones. What I'd like all of you to do is take time right now for your loved ones that are here with you today. If you're a sister or a brother, a parent or a grandparent, an aunt, uncle, or cousin of a graduate, please stand. If you're a friend of a graduate, please stand. If you're a teacher, a counselor, or an advisor, please stand. Graduates, take a look around this room and remember, you didn't get to this point alone, and you don't face your future alone. These are the people who have been with you and will always be every step of the way. Please join me in thanking them with a round of applause, graduates. You may be seated. Thank you. So in closing, graduates, know that you have the ability to impact the world around you, even if it's one person at a time. Know that you have the ability to go and get your dreams, but don't forget to make time for the people that truly matter in your life, because life goes by so fast. Congratulations, class of 2024. And now, seniors, the moment you've been waiting for. Parents and guests, please do not come to the staging area, as professional photographers will be taking pictures of this memorable moment for you and our students. I call your attention at this time to the list in the program recognizing the cords and sashes that students are wearing that symbolize outstanding achievement in several areas noted in the program. Seniors, you should be very proud of your accomplishments today, and I hope that this is just the first of many times you'll cross the stage to be recognized. We will begin with the presentation of diplomas, starting with our class officers and academic top 20, listing their universities. While the first rows transition to the stage, please enjoy the music selection, No One Is Alone, arranged by Mark Breimer and directed by our chorus teacher, Mr. Kowalski, and sung by our chorus students.
Beside you, still you're not alone. No one is alone. Truly, no one is alone. Sometimes people leave you halfway through the woods. Others may deceive you. You decide what's good. Decide alone, but no one is alone. Mother isn't here now. Things, right things. She knows what she said. Can say what's true. It's not so clear now. Things, right things. Give us your way. Decide that you are not alone. Believe me, no one is alone. No one is alone. Something's bound to linger, be heard. No one is alone. Careful, no one is alone. People make mistakes. Fathers, mothers, people make mistakes. Holding to their own, thinking they're alone. Mistakes. Everybody makes one another's terrible mistakes. Witches can be right, giants can be good. You decide what's right, you decide what's good. Just remember, someone is on your side, our side, someone else is not. While we're seeing our side. Just don't let it
Tejas Chowdhury, Cornell University. Allison Hollander, Duke University. Ava Balsam, the University of Florida. Kevin Netto, Indiana University. Adam Grossman, the University of Michigan. Rita Awkward, the American University of Paris. Ethan Leeds, the University of Florida. Charlie Graff, Florida State University. Max Herman, the University of Florida. Jaden Kaiser, University of Florida. Andy Huberman, University of Texas. Zane Joffrey, the University of Miami. Sienna Rennert, the University of Wisconsin. Samantha Anders, the University of Florida. Jacob Glover, University of Florida. Cindy Lynn, Cornell University. Cameron Arabi, the University of Florida. Nishama Dreyfus, the University of Florida. Alec Bayless, the University of Florida. Danielle Heller, Tufts University. Lainey Williams, Florida State University. Ryan Rose, the University of Florida. Ryan Weinstock, the University of Michigan. Mia Gabe, Florida State University. Ethan Klein, the University of Florida. Derek Max, the University of Florida. Logan Adelstein, Tulane University. Domenico Abatino. Isabel Abreu. Luke Achura. Jose Acosta. Alexia Adam. Alexandra Adams. Seth Adams. Abigail Adler. Aya Agaradad. Brody Alkali. Masha Alexieva. Joshua Alexander. Nicholas Ali. Izzadine Alkali. Luigi Guimarães. Shania Altidore. Darren Alianak. Ethan Aming. Samuel Anapol. Christopher Anderson. Julia Anuza. Nicholas Aponi. Ruzana Aprecian. Gabrielle Appman. Amanda Suarez. Arthur Arujo Silva. Andrea Arias. Sebastian Arnal. Veronica Artemenko. Zachary Athan. Leanne Atias. Donald Auckland. Daruk Aiden. Diana Balabanova. Sevgi Balim. Jenna Ballant. Chloe Bamdas. Maya Bannock. Annika Banasiak. Brennan Barzai. Savannah Bard. Natalia Barron. Daniel Barroso. Sophia Barroso. Lucas Bayari. Yasmin Bazian. Carlos Beck. Natalie Beck. Alex Beharovic. Sander Bellinson. Nikola Beljevich. Benjamin Bello. Patrick Bello, Rebecca Beltran, Hetty Bin Sheck, Alexandra Burke, Francesca Badalato, Kiara Bermudez, Summer Bernstein, Alexander Bijlani, Ella Bishop, Levi Blakesley, Ellie Blum, Gavin Blythe, Peyton Blythe, Sasha Bodner, Srijan Boka, Daria Borisova, Tobias Borselman, Daniela Bowen, Jack Boyden, Parker Bozak, Cameron Bosdeck, Lucas Bright, Nicholas Brennan, Jake Breslaw, Nathan Bronke, Jackson Brunette, Harrison Bruni, Tatiana Bukala, Chloe Butters, Chloe Byers, Oscar Cabello, Tegan Callahan, Mateo Callejas, Ovidio Calvet, Sofia Camacho, Enzo Campello, Alessandro Carvacciuolo, Lucas Carasitas, Fernando Carrillo, Wyatt Karsten, Nicholas Carvalho, Sean Casey, Dane Cassidy, Felipe Castano, Rebecca Castellanos, Marina Castro, Felipe Castro Palacios, Sean Catalfamo, Christina Selly, Alexandra Cheobano, Grace Saransky, Jacob Cervantes, Jordan Cervantes, Victoria Sescaro, Dora Chan, Tristan Chang, Goyetti Charles, Melissa Charles, Hannah Shays, Colin Chang, Naina Chico, Philip Seelick, Kira Cisterna, Lucas Savita, Corinne Clancy, Anthony Clark, Michael Clark, Ryan Cleary, William Coffey, Alexa Cohen, Paulo Cohen, Asher Cohn, Isabella Koliakova, Colleen Coletto, Ryan Conger, Mark Connor, Ethan Cook, Sasha Cooper. Riley Cope. Isadora Chatalan. Crystal Casimir. Angelina Corey. Jemiah Cornelius. Alexandru Cositor. Stephanie Cottle. Aiden Cruz. Jolene Cuevas. Gabriela De La Rosa. Ryan Daly. Michaela Damas. Logan Domley. Ethan Danny. Arnav Das. Tristan Dasi. Skyland DeBonis. Gianna DeCandia. Colin Deck. Ralph Kiersmacher. Kevin Delgadillo. Flavio Delgado. Gabriela Delgado. Gonzalo Di Martin. Brooke DiMarzio. Ethan DeStefano. Sophie Deutsch. Anthony Diaz Rizzo. Alex DeGangi. Tyler Dobbins. Oleg Dokudovic. Michaela Domine. Juan Diego Dominguez. Brett Domsky. Gabriel Dos Santos. Leah Dowdell. Manuela Fabro Martinez. Tiffany Diaz. Zachary Dittman. Alexander Dorsil. Alyssa Dukakis.
My daughter, Julia Dibus.
Sebastian Duplan. Melania Durso. Miguel Dutra. Logan Earp. Dylan Eaton. John Eckelkamp. Gabriel Emmerich. Emily Intez. Hannah Epstein. Noam Erez. Abby Erickson. Danica Ernst. Emir Eskenazi. Veronica Espina. Victoria Espina. Matthew Espinosa. Athena Esposito. Cody Estrin. Conrad Evans. Lila Evans. Samuel Evans. Diana Yevlakovich. Luciano Fajero Bonilla. David Falcons. Amanda Farina Castro. Oluseyi Faraday. Deco Feldinger. Chloe Finwick. Elena Ferber. Ilona Fernandez. Luis Fernandez. Julie Ferreira. Joao Cotrim. Utah Filon. Marina Fischetti. Morgan Fleissig. Philantra Fletcher. Gabrielle Flores. Amanda Franca. Simone Franco. Abigail Frankel. Taylor Frey. Grace Freeman. Valentina Fritas. Matthew Friedman. Matthew Friesdahl.
David Gabella. Peter Gaulis. Robert Galpern. Daniel Gamboa. Angel Garcia. Alex Garcia. Isabella Garcia. Marcus Garcia. Natalia Garcia. Jacob Garrett. Julia Gelsino. Michael Genzone. Amelia Aranio Ramponi. Addison Goldstein. Nika Golander. Nicholas Gonzalez. Sophia Gonzalez. Jade Goodell. Nathan Granite.
That's Nathan, wait.
Nathan Granite. Reginald Greaves. Romy Green. Katen Greenfield. Rebecca Grobler. Max Grushoff. Paulo Guarana. Muratjan Gooder. Nicoli Guerrero. Kira Guyton. Joshua Gurman. Christian Gutierrez. Jasmine Hutchins. Evangelia Galisacios.
Megan Harold.
Lucas Haddad. Yasmin Hamadi. Ibrahim Hamzooglu. Raina Hannapole.
Stop on the tape.
Olivia Hanukkah. Isabella Hanson. Taylor Hawkins. Ashley Helfer. Ayla Hemley. Francesca Hemlip. DeKayla Herford.
That's DeKayla.
Kiara Hermes. Camila Hernandez. Alexandra Heschles. Lorenzo Higgins. Haley Hoffman. Leah Hoffman. Cooper Huggins. John Huggins. Justin Ibrahim. Alexander Ilfeld. Dan Ilfeld. Julia Imbriano. Andres Infante. Emma Iovine. Valentina Izquierdo. Isabella Jaffe. Nicholas Jensen. William Junn. Jasmine Jimenez. Cash Johns. Jackson Johnson. Mia Jones. Latif Kaba. Santiago Cabche. Asher Khan. Tarisha Islam. Claire Kane. Daniil Kaplinsky. Alexandra Katz. Sarah Katz. Benjamin Kaut. Caroline Kepley. Isabella Kahn. Arena Hominska. Alexander Kilverta Ranhel. Dylan King. Kiara Kissel. Sean Clevan. Dylan Noble. David Kosis. Tyler Kosman. Alexandra Kormilitsina. Elena Kozier. Sydney Kreitman. Hunter Krenzer. Dylan Crystal. Samantha Curis. Mia Landau. Rylan Lapidus. Helen Laurie Shapiro. Joseph LaRocca. Keenan Lawrence. Coy Lee. London Ledwitz. Nicole Lemois. Olivia Lenihan. Aiden Leone. Danya Leone. Miranda Leonore. Mackenzie Lerner. Gavin Levin. Ella Levine. Mason Levine. Luke Levine. Sam Levine. Joshua Morera Lima. Alexander Levy. Noam Levy. Kivia Lewis. Valeria Libreros. Davi Lima. Leticia Lima Valentin. Lee Lynn. Ethan Litton. Madison Livingston. Santiago Lizcano. Stella Lodge. Enzo Avlino. Davin Lewis. Sophie Louis. Joseph Lucas. Victoria Wukashik. Fernando Luna. Sherelle Lunsky. Leorena Luque. Dennis Lutsenko. George Mabjish. Sarah Magana. Gabriella Mahoney. Ava Maltese. Hudson Mammon. Braden Mancini. Juan Menjares. Alexa Mann. Milano Margagna. Gianella Mariategui. Salvador Maristani. Evangelia Markakis. Marissa Marold. Mariana Marquez. Hilton Marshall. Lucas Marzo. Ethan Luce. Jarek Lubag.
When are you up?
Keep going.
Pardon? Oh.
Eleanor McConnell.
Hang on.
Jade Mascarenas. Julia Massarella. Marley Matheson. Sebastian Matos. Bryce Martino. Kristen McAfee. Claire McDonough. Asa McLean. John McMahon. Bo Millette. Benjamin Meltzer. Gianna Minas. Diego Mendez. Natalie Mendoza. Milena Meningini. Zachary Merzel. Christopher Miliaccio. Adam Million. Max Miller. Gianna Mitataranda. Konstantinos Mitchell. Daria Majaleski. Nathan Aquino Molina. Serena Monroy. Natalie Montez. Milton Montefar. Amanda Morales. Edward Moravec. Mariana Morari. Madeline Mostrom. Glorabel Moya. Ashley Muro. Johnny Myers Jr. Vitor Moreo. James McNamara. Sarah Moran. Madeline Murphy.
And congratulations.
Guilherme Nagel.
Mateen Naramisa, Cherish Nazir, Shayan Nazir, Ismail Jai, Ethan Nelson, Megan Wynn, Rylan Nicholas, Amanda Nicolini, Brooke Nixon, Ephraim Jr. Nyazov, Francesca Nora, Chance Noryude, Valerie Oganazova, Dakota Okoe, Xavier Oliveira, Oliver O'Neill, Alina Ortega, Santiago Oteo, Alyssa Outlaw, Andrea Pacheco Rodriguez, Mia Pacitti, Jason Palacios, Shania Paniagua, Adamantia Papa George, Aisha Parrish, Nicholas Pascuzzi, Jennifer Quach, Yamin Patel, Matthew Padalaro, Nabori Patton, Stella Paulino, Farid Payan, Ramon Pella, Aiden Ostertag, Helena Parada, Xavier Pellish, Artreyu Perales, Corrine Pereira, Hillary Perez, Sebastian Perez, Nicola Perrick, Matthew Peterson, Samantha Pierre, Yves-Marthe Pierre, Lauren Pijuan, Jade Pluster, Nicole Pojero, Amanda Poirier, Abigail Polanco, Logan Porter, Sebastian Portuguese, Mariana Pozo, Charlotte Potts, Joseph Planito, David Pradescu, Diego Prieto, Ryan Puffer, Kayla Punle, Jonathan Rabath, Dovidas Rasunas, Dylan Rafa, Anna Valero, Samuel Rappaport, Shannon Rabakar, Connor Rear, Christopher Rigo, Nicole Reyes, Ivana Frites, Gabrielle Richter, Daphne Rickle, Brayden Riley, Isabella Perla, Aisha Sanchez, Daniela Riofrio, Christopher River, Matthias Risk, Roma Risk, Adonisha Robinson, Olivia Rocco, Desiree Rodon, Logan Rodriguez, Otavio Rodriguez, Diego Rodriguez, Fabiana Rodriguez, Caitlin Rodriguez, Aaron Rodstein, Juliet Rojas, Sophia Rojas, John Romano, Matthew Rothman, Dylan Roche, Luke Royer, Aiden Rubenstein, Sebastian Ruta, Zachary Anthony Russell, Caitlin Sadorf, Bardia Sadie, Simone Sallow, Julia Sampaio, Lizeth Sanchez, Vanessa Sanchez, Juliana Sandler, Edgar Valdez, Madeline Sanwise, Brian Sangley, Kimberly Sannon, Gianna Santo, Lee Santo, Jada Santoloci, Joseph Santone, Romilo Santos, Sarah Sasha, Nicholas Sarnowski, Emma Satiski, Andrew Scalisi, Tasman Scarrett, Allison Shapiro, Gael Shirez, Sophia Schur, Rebecca Schnabel, Mason Schwartz, Sarah Schwartz, Rio Schreber, Abigail Sameka, Samantha Siegel, Alejandra Sarepi, Markley Severe, Leona Shala, Olivia Schatz, Jolie Shaw, Madison Shear, Michelle Schuster, Dmitry Shvetsov, Alina Sadiqui, Adam Siegel, Emilio Sigaloffi, Nicholas Silva, Santiago Silva, Evan Simmer, Ruby Simon, Jocelyn Smeal, Jayla Smolansky, David Smoka, Marco Soares, Julia Sabrino, Diana Sakrovescu, Alyssa Sodensen, Maya Sorkin, Vitor Souza, Sean Spencer, Christina Stalzer, Sydney Ship, Romy Stamler, Olivia Stabler, Rihanna Stern, Addison Stein, Nika Stepanov, Adinko Stevens, Taye Sterling, Sydney Stern, Sydney Stewart, Gianna Suarez, Jonan Swindle, Angelina Sauce, Brooke Taylor, Brianna Telford, Kaylee Terry, Yusef Famer, Elsa Theodros, Aliza Tilson, Karina Tomalescu, Kizzy Trin, Alexa Tristino, Anthony Triolo, Milana Turkish, Chase Turmel, Juan Tutafranco, Denise Yudazan, Alejandra Valdez, Michael Valverde, Victoria Varela, Diana Escajan, Alexavier Vasquez, Andres Vasquez, Michelle Vasquez Khalidi, Patrick Visi, Camilla Vega Ascenso, Matthew Virgil, Bryce Viller, Santos, Tatiana Vellataro, Brianna Vellataro, Valeria Viana, Justin Velleran, Kyle Vilme, Vincenzo Viteri, Mason Ward, Isaac Ween, Rihanna Weiner, Rachel Weissayet, Noah Weisholtz, Asher Weintraub, Jason White, Michael White, Caitlin Wells, Matthew Wheeler, Reese Wheeler, Kawane Williams, Josiah Williams, Amari Trujillo, Devin Wilson, L. View, Ryeth Williams, Jason Wilson, Ryan Wilson, Grayson Walseshan, Cameron Wallish, Tegan Wood, Jaylani Yates, Mamet Yuxel, Amanda Zabad, Stamateo Zaparagos, Leah Zelsner. Yes, I have it. The last graduate in the class of 2024 is Leor Zimberg.
Please join me in welcoming to the stage Mr. and Miss Spanish River, Adam Grossman and Rita Akwar, as they join our senior class chorus president and vocal pathfinder nominee, Jarek Lubag, and vice president, Manuela Del Fabro Martins, along with the Silver Sound Band in the singing of our alma mater. Please refer to the words printed in the program and rise at this time for the singing of our alma mater.
Last time.
Achievement.
Seniors, please stay standing. Everyone else may be seated. At this time, I'd like to welcome to the podium your SGA and senior class president to assist as you change the location of your tassels. Graduates, please move your tassels from the right side of your mortarboards to the left side. Graduates, please sit back down for the closing of our ceremony. Thank you. The end of your high school career has arrived. The world awaits you and the positive change you will bring. Everyone in this auditorium today looks forward to your future achievements. And now, by the power vested in me by the Palm Beach School District and Superintendent Mr. Mike Burke, I now pronounce you 2024 graduates of Spanish River High School. Graduates, please stand and face the center as we prepare for the recessional of the class of 2024.